Hello. We want to find the area of the shaded portion in this geometry. This is geometry of what? This is a rectangle, and this rectangle we have some sectors cut out of the rectangle. So we have to find this particular shaded portion. So if you look at this closely, you have what you just need to do is if you can remove all these sectorial portions from the rectangle, you'll be left with the shaded portion. So that means we can say that area now equals to what? You can say the rectangular, shape, the entire body. That's the area of rectangle, then minus the four sectors, the area of the four sectors, area of the four sectors. You are asking me area of sectors. What do I mean by this? Now, this portion, each of these portion is a sector. So there are four altogether. So now, and what is the area of rectangle? We know that area of rectangle is length times breadth. Let's find that here. Our length is what? We have 17 meter. Then our breadth is 4 meter. So everything is 68 meters squared. So that's the what? Area of the rectangle. Now, how do we now get the area of the sectors? I think we can clean this. We can clean this now. Just need each portion. And don't forget, before we clean this, know that each of these edge is 90 degrees. You don't need to be told. Yes, this is 90 degrees. Okay. So now, let's find, and how do we find the area of a sector? Area of sector of this particular shape that looks like a cone is a sector. It can be folded in form of cone. Area of sector is theta over 360 degree, theta over 360 degree times pi r squared. That's the area. Okay. So, shall we manage this place so that we still have our value? Our diagram. Fine. So, and theta here is angle, here, which is 90 all over 360 times pi. Now, the radius, if you can see, you have been told that this is radius. I know you have all of these sectors, although they are not drawn to scale, they have the same value, they have the same area. So this is a radius, this is a radius. So this will be 1 meter, 2, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So radius is times 1 squared. 1 squared is 1. I hope you understand that. So this what? 0 cancels 0. You have 9 in 36. That's 1 over 4 times pi. Okay? So this was pi all over 4. That's pi over 4. And don't forget that the total area now, we have gotten the area of each sector is pi over 4. What is now the total area? So, total sectorial area, total sector area will be 4 times, it's like adding all these values in 4 places. So 4 times this, that's 4 here, 4 here, that's just pi meter squared. So the area of all the sectors now, you have gotten this one to be pi over 4, pi over 4. So if you add all of them, or you multiply pi over 4 by 4, because there are 4 altogether, you get pi meters squared. So now, the area of the shaded portion now, area of the shaded portion now, will be 68 meters squared minus pi meters squared. So suppose our pi is given to be what? Suppose our pi is given to be, let's say that our pi is given to be 3.142. So if pi is 3.142, then area will be 68 minus 3.142, all everything is meter square. So by the time you subtract this, you have 8. You have 8 left here. We're trying to subtract, then this is 64 point. Is that correct? 6 point, yes, 85. You can check out if that is correct. Okay, meter square. So approximately 64.86 meter square. So that's the area of the shaded portion. So with this, we have come to the end of this problem. Do well to comment, share, and like this video. God bless you. Bye.